Hello, welcome everyone. So today we're going to start Crew AI, and this is our first video on Crew AI. So first of all, I want to tell you that you go to the Crew AI and type pipe well, right? And you find first website called pipel.organizations and slash projects and slash Crew AI. In this way, you find that latest and specific version of Crew AI. Now at this time, Crew AI 0.76.9 version is the latest version and it's released on 30th October. But this version have some problems because YouTubers and other influencers didn't work on these Crew AI versions. So the best version I have ever used, and from my experience, I want to tell you that you have go to the release history. This version is the latest, and go to down, scroll down here. Yeah, 41 0.41.1. This is a best version ever I have seen. So what you need to go is to install. Let me check here. If I go to my complex project, and this my client is a 4.1.1. This is what version I have ever used. Now in this video I'm going to teach you how to create Crew AI project. First of all, you need to install Visual Studio. A link in the description, you can find Visual Studio and install on your PC or laptop. Also, the second thing you need to install is called Python. Python 3.11 or Python 3.10, or you can say Python 3.12. These are the versions on which Crewai can install and run perfect. Now open the folder, click on open folder, go to documents. I have created many projects here. Here I want to create a new folder. Just here I click on a new folder and the project is now created. Go to terminal, type new terminal, and in this way select the command prompt and push it to here. Now here you need to install 2 to 3 things. The best way of creating Crewai versions, you can create a virtual environment by a command called python /mvenv, and whatever you name you want to assign is called a sample for you. In this way your virtual environment is created here. Now it's time to activate this virtual environment. So you need to enter the command called sample slash backward slash called scripts activate. In this way your terminal is now activated here. Now you need to create pip install crew AI equals to version which is 0.1.41.1. Now hit the enter, and in this way Crew AI is installed on your computer. If you find some issues, you need to install Poetry. On Poetry, if you didn't install Poetry, you need to download the Visual Studio environment, and from Visual Studio downloader you need to installer you need to click the C++ development environment. A link in the description, you can find the Visual Studio installer, and also I have mentioned the instructions on the description. So in this way you can install Visual Studio installer with the C++ development environment for the Windows.